Welcome back, everybody. My name is Bob McGoy from Computer Aided Technology, and this is the Day in the Life series, Season 1, Episode 6, Revisions. I'm going to take some time and I'm going to show you multiple ways using the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to access revisions and create new revisions. Now, one way is by using change action to have a formalized governance for your files. We explained some of that in the previous episode, Season 1, Episode 6, Change Action. So feel free to pop over to that if you haven't seen it. But here, inside of SOLIDWORKS, we're going to go ahead and create some revisions of some parts. The sprocket here needs our attention. So I'm going to go ahead and right here inside the assembly, I'm going to right click and we're going to reserve that part. And then we're going to request a new revision on that part as well. Give it a reason. We're going to do some cuts on that file. Now, as you can see here, there's a plus sign in the more recent versions exist column. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to say replace by version. That brings up the replace by revision dialog box so we can see all the revisions that we have of that part and do that replace in the assembly. Now that that's complete, I can open that up in its own window and do some changes. Now it's telling me it's read-only. That's okay. Platform's going to take care of that for me as soon as I get the file open. And we'll right click and make sure it's reserved. I'm not going to bore you with my ability to model inside of SOLIDWORKS here, so let's do a little time lapse and pop open some features. So here with our B1 revision, we now have some circular holes to dissipate some heat inside of that sprocket. Let's go ahead and create another version here. So I'm going to create another revision. New cutouts. And once again, you can see in that is there recent versions that exist column, there's a check mark. So we're going to right click and say replace by revision. Pick the C1 and hit OK. So now we have the C1 there. I'll go ahead and reserve that so I own C1 here. And now you can see we have some slots on our C1. We can go back.